Hey guys, Crystal here with another installment of Color Combos with Crystal. I have Magnolia flowers for this beautiful pink color combo. This is really simple to make. I used one stamp set and I hope you love it. To start my card, I'm going to be using the two floral stamp sets. Using the solid of the Magnolias, I'm going to stamp this with the gray, and then I'm going to be using an alcohol-friendly pink onto the center of the card base, and then stamping around with it in a repetitive motion back in that gray ink. Being careful not to stamp on my outline. Now I'm going to color the outline image. I'm going to be using three coordinating colors of pink, beginning with the lightest and starting right at the center. Now I'm going to move on to the middle shade of the pinks, and I'm gonna color just the inside of it and then blending out back with that light pink, then moving back with the dark pink, blending out with the light pink until I get the right shading. Once we're done, I'm gonna move on to the center of my floral, and what I'll be doing here, just gonna color it with light yellow and do an outline with darker yellow, and that will finish coloring my flower. Now for the sentiment, I'm going to stamp "Thank you for everything" using a hot pink embossing powder that we're going to stamp on this black cardstock. Once we're done with the heat embossing, we're going to go ahead and trim this into a ribbon that we're going to place in the center of our card. I actually cut it a bit too thick, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it again. Now that it's the perfect thickness, I'm gonna add the sticky back foam, again using just regular foam with a sticky back, putting adhesive on the cardstock, placing the foam, and then using the sticky back to adhere onto the card base. To finish this off, I'm using gray and a light pink Nouveau drops just to give it a little color, and that will do it for this card. I really hope you've enjoyed this simple, repetitive stamping and Copic coloring card. The color combo is very girly, yet really simple. Thank you so much for joining me. Have an awesome day.